Kernel Excel Merge Tool emerges as a robust and reliable solution, designed to simplify the complex task of consolidating spreadsheets. Whether you're a financial analyst compiling quarterly reports, an HR professional managing employee records, or a researcher organizing large datasets, this tool provides a fast, secure, and error-free way to merge Excel files while preserving data integrity. One of the standout features of this software is its ability to merge unlimited Excel sheets into a single worksheet, or organize them as individual sheets within a unified workbook. Here is the detailed tutorial to merge unlimited Excel sheets into individual worksheets within a single workbook without altering any data. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, then type Kernel Excel Merge and open the tool. Under the Merge Excel Files option, click on the Merge button. To upload Excel files, click on the Add File button. Select multiple Excel files as per requirements and click Open. You can manually tick all the checkboxes to select required Excel files, or you can select the checkbox next to the Selected Path option to select all files in one go. Then click on the Next button to proceed. Here, you will get two options to merge Excel files, single worksheets and individual worksheets. We will perform the method with the individual worksheets option. Click on the Browse button to provide the saving destination. Provide the desired saving location by clicking on Browse and make a new folder, then tap on OK. Click on the Merge option to execute the Excel file merging process. The Excel Merge software will start merging Excel files into individual worksheets within a single workbook. Once the process is completed, you'll receive a success message. Click on the OK option. Click on Open Folder Location to directly navigate to the saving location of the merged files. Double-click on the Excel sheet to preview merged Excel files and data saved in individual sheets within one workbook. Click on the Save Reports option to save merge process log reports in a CSV. You can select the destination as per needs and click Save. In this way, you can merge unlimited Excel files into individual worksheets within a single workbook using our Excel Merge software. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. To explore more such insightful tutorials and help videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Have a great day.